Hi guys, in today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best laptops for programming that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Asus Vivobook M1605 is a budget-friendly laptop tailored for programmers, featuring a powerful AMD Ryzen 7 7730U processor. This processor, with its 8-core, 16-thread architecture and clock speeds ranging from 2.0 GHz to 4.5 GHz, offers commendable performance for everyday tasks and light productivity workloads. The laptop's 16-inch WU-XGA IPS display boasts a 1920 by 1200 resolution, a 16:10 aspect ratio, and a 60 Hz refresh rate, ensuring a comfortable and clear visual experience with wide viewing angles. With 8 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 1 TB SSD, the Vivobook M1605 provides sufficient memory for multitasking and ample storage space for files, projects, and software, all while ensuring fast boot and load times. In terms of design and usability, the Vivobook M1605 stands out with its thin and lightweight build, making it portable and easy to carry. The inclusion of a fingerprint sensor on the touchpad adds a layer of security and convenience, while the physical camera shutter enhances privacy. Connectivity options are diverse, including Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C, and HDMI ports, catering to a range of peripherals and network needs. Additionally, the laptop's battery life is respectable, offering around 8 hours of usage on a single charge, making it suitable for a full workday. Running on Windows 11 Home, the Asus Vivobook M1605 is an attractive option for programmers seeking a reliable, affordable, and portable computing solution with a good balance of performance and features. The HP Pavilion Aero 13 is a lightweight and highly portable laptop tailored for users who demand both performance and mobility, making it an excellent choice for programmers. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 8640U processor, it offers robust performance with a maximum turbo frequency of 4.9 GHz, ensuring it can handle coding tasks and multitasking with ease. The 13-inch WU-XGA IPS display delivers vibrant and sharp visuals, boasting a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels, 400 nits of brightness, and 100% sRGB color accuracy. Its 16:10 aspect ratio offers more screen space, reducing the need for frequent scrolling and making it ideal for working on code or multiple documents simultaneously. In terms of memory and storage, the HP Pavilion Aero 13 is equipped with 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and a 512 GB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe M.2 SSD. This configuration ensures fast data access and smooth operation, even when running multiple applications or handling large files. The integrated AMD Radeon graphics supports everyday tasks and light gaming. With Windows 11 Home pre-installed, users benefit from a modern, intuitive interface. The laptop's battery life is impressive, offering up to 11 hours of usage on a single charge, making it perfect for long workdays. Connectivity is another strong suit, featuring Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 for fast and stable wireless connections. The range of ports, including USB Type-C, USB Type-A, and HDMI 2.1, provides versatility in connecting peripherals. The laptop also features a 5-megapixel IR camera with noise reduction, dual-array microphones for clear video calls, and DTS:X Ultra audio technology with dual speakers for enhanced sound quality. The full-size backlit keyboard ensures comfortable typing, even in low-light conditions. The HP Pavilion Aero 13's blend of power, portability, and features make it an ideal laptop for programmers and anyone needing a capable and portable computing device. The Lenovo ThinkPad E16 is a versatile and high-performance laptop designed for professionals, particularly those in programming and other demanding fields. Its 16-inch WU-XGA IPS display offers vibrant colors and wide viewing angles, making it ideal for extended work sessions. The laptop is powered by the Intel Core i7-1355U processor, which boasts a hybrid architecture with 10 cores, 2 performance cores and 8 efficiency cores, providing a balance between power and energy efficiency. With a base clock speed of 1.7 GHz and a turbo boost of up to 5 GHz, this processor handles intensive tasks with ease. The ThinkPad E16 is equipped with 40 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and responsiveness, even when running demanding applications. Its 1TB NVMe SSD provides ample storage space and rapid data access speeds, enhancing overall system performance. The integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics supports a variety of graphical tasks, making the laptop suitable for both coding and multimedia work. Security is a priority with features like a fingerprint reader for secure logins. The backlit spill-resistant keyboard ensures comfortable typing in various conditions, and connectivity is robust, including Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, USB-C Thunderbolt 4, and more. This makes the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 an excellent choice for programmers seeking reliability, power, and durability in their computing devices. The Apple MacBook Pro 14 with the M3 Pro chip is a powerhouse designed to meet the needs of creative programmers. This laptop features an advanced M3 Pro chip with an 8-core CPU and a 10-core GPU, delivering exceptional performance for demanding tasks such as video editing, photo manipulation, and 3D rendering. With 8 GB of unified memory, which can be configured up to 24 GB, and a 512 GB SSD, expandable to 2 TB, the MacBook Pro ensures smooth multitasking and ample storage for all your projects. The 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display is another standout feature, offering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and high brightness, making it perfect for detailed visual work. Connectivity options are robust, including 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, an HDMI port supporting 4K resolution at 120 Hz, an SDXC card slot, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The MagSafe 3 charging port adds convenience and security when powering up the device. In terms of audio and video, the MacBook Pro excels with a 1080p FaceTime HD camera, a studio-quality 3-mic array, and a 6-speaker sound system with spatial audio, ensuring you look and sound your best during video calls. The MacBook Pro also offers advanced connectivity options, including Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. With up to 22 hours of battery life for video playback, this laptop is built to handle long work sessions without needing to be tethered to a charger. Overall, the Apple MacBook Pro 14 M3 Pro is a versatile and powerful laptop, ideal for programmers who require high performance and flexibility for their demanding workloads. The HP Spectre X360 14 is a high-end 2-in-1 convertible laptop, expertly crafted for programmers and other professionals who require top-tier performance in a portable, stylish package. Powered by a 12th Gen Intel Core i7 processor and 16 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, this device handles intensive multitasking and demanding applications effortlessly. The 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD offers ample storage space, ensuring fast boot times and quick data access, making it ideal for coding, content creation, and more. The laptop's 14-inch OLED touchscreen is a standout feature, delivering vibrant high-resolution visuals that are perfect for media consumption, photo editing, and programming tasks. Design-wise, the Spectre X360 boasts a sleek gem-cut chassis crafted from durable CNC aluminum, which not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also provides robust durability. The 360-degree hinge allows seamless transitions between laptop, tablet, tent, and stand modes, offering flexibility for different usage scenarios. The WU-XGA Plus display and Bang & Olufsen quad speakers ensure an immersive multimedia experience, with sharp visuals and rich sound quality. Connectivity is also a strong suit, with support for Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and Thunderbolt 4, ensuring fast, reliable connections and easy integration with other devices. The range of ports, including USB Type-C, USB Type-A, and HDMI port, provides versatility in connecting peripherals. Enhanced security features, like the HP TrueVision 5-megapixel IR camera with facial recognition and a fingerprint reader, provide peace of mind for users handling sensitive information. With up to 11.5 hours of battery life, the HP Spectre X360 14 is designed to keep pace with your daily tasks, making it a versatile and powerful tool for programmers, creatives, and anyone who demands the best from their technology.